they? First is fixed deposit. It will give you approximately a return of 6%. And then government schemes like Public Provident Fund, Kisan Vikas Patra, then the Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana. There are many things. Atal Pension Yojana. These are the government schemes where you can invest your money and generate return. That is approximately around 8%. Then gold and real estate. It will give you a return of 10%. Okay, these are the fixed return avenues. Then in stock index means these are the mutual funds where you can invest in this mutual fund, and that will give you approximately return of 12%. But if you can choose, if you can pick a good stock, it will give you 15% or more than 15% of return. So it is considered as the stocks are considered as the most profitable or where you can generate more returns. Okay, it doesn't mean that you should not invest in fixed deposit or government scheme or gold and real estate. Yes, you have to invest in all these schemes because the purpose of the investment in all these schemes are different. Fixed deposit will give you a guarantee. Stocks will not give you a guarantee. So you have to invest some money in fixed deposit, some money in government scheme, some money in gold, some money in index funds, and but if you want to generate more returns, you have to put a lot of your money or major chunk of your money in good stocks. Okay. Now, in stock market, what are the how many players are there? Who are financial markets are consist of 4 peoples. The first is investor. Investor means like you and me, like banks, mutual funds, LIC. Investor like you and me, the high net worth individual. These people have money. They want to invest their money in share market. Now, to whom these people give money? Like if I'm buying a stock, to whom I am giving money? That are the borrower or seeker of the fund. These are like major companies. The companies like big. There may be a big companies, middle cap, mid cap companies, or small cap companies, or mutual fund. They want money to. With that money, they will run the business and generate profit for us. Then, but we cannot go to direct stock market in Bombay Stock Exchange and purchase the shares of any company. What we have to do? We have to go to a broker like Zerodha, Upstocks, Angel One. These are the brokers. These are the middlemen, or you can call them a bridge between stock market and individual investor. Okay, you go to the broker, you put your money and ask them. You can purchase stock through brokers from the stock market. That is why they are called as intermediaries. Then there are regulatory bodies like SEBI, because to protect the investors' interest, there must be some regulation, rules and regulation. Some laws should be there. That part is handled by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. They will set the rules how should invest, who should invest, what should be done in, and what should not be done in the market. Okay. Now there are 2 major stock exchanges are in India. Okay. First one is Bombay Stock Exchange. It was established in year 1875. This is considered as the oldest stock exchange in entire Asia, not only in India but entire Asia. Now, how many companies are there? There are approximately 5,311 companies are listed in Bombay Stock Exchange. These data I have taken from January 2013. There may be some companies delisted or added in the stock exchange, but till January 2013, 5,311 companies are there in Bombay Stock Exchange. Now, it is very difficult for anyone to judge that whether 5,311 companies share price are gone up on a particular day or gone down on a particular day. It is very difficult to analyze 5,000 companies. So what they have decided that, what they have said that we will track only top 30 companies from different sectors. They have chosen 30 companies from different sectors, and they will analyze on daily basis whether the stock price of these 30 companies are going up or stock price of that 30 companies are going down. If the stock price are going up, they say that the index is going up. If the stock price is falling, they said that the index is falling, the entire market is falling. Okay. There is a market index of the Bombay Stock Exchange is Sensex. Sensex means sensitive index. This consists of top 30 companies from different sectors. Okay. Then another stock exchange is National Stock Exchange. It was established in 1992. There are approximately 2,113 companies. Again, this data belongs from the month January 2013. There are approximately 2,113 companies. The market index of NSE is Nifty 50. This Nifty 50 consists of top 50 companies. Again, there are from different sectors. If the stock price of these 50 companies are going up, then we can say that the market is going up. If the stock price of these 50 companies is going down, we can say that yes, market is falling. Now, what is the purpose of these two stock exchanges? The purpose of stock exchange is to facilitate exchange of securities. Suppose I want to buy a stock and there is another person who want to purchase, where we can trade. I cannot go and search for a person who want to sell a stock. I can basically go to the stock exchange to put my order that I want to buy this company's share. If someone is there who want to sell, I can directly purchase from that. This is the simple method of stock exchange. Okay. Now, what we can purchase from stock exchanges or stock markets? The first thing, the most popular thing is equity shares. Equity shares is if you are buying a share, that means you are buying a part ownership in that company. Okay, we will discuss this in more detail in the next slides. Okay, then we can buy or sell debentures and bonds. Debentures and bonds are like giving loan to a company. In the return, what we will get a fixed rate of return and our the amount which we have given to them. Okay, both are like giving loan to companies. Then there are indices, like I earlier said, S&P, BSE, Sensex consist of 30 companies. If you can buy indices in the mutual fund market, if you can put your money to purchase these 30 companies, top 30 companies in BSE Sensex, what you have to do, just go and buy indices like S&P, BSE Sensex. Second is Nifty 50 Sensex. Third is MCX SX. This is called as multi-commodity exchange. In that multi-commodity exchange, you can buy and sell gold, silver, metal, currency. These are the things you can purchase or sell in MCX, multi-commodity exchanges. Then, if you want to put your money in market, you can buy mutual fund. There are different kind of mutual funds. Okay, you can just go and buy. Here, what they do, you need not to research companies or you need not to do anything. You just give your money to a mutual fund. There is a manager who picks stocks in behalf of you. He will put your money in that stock, and in return, what we have to do, we have to give some fees to that manager. Then there are derivatives called like futures and options. In coming lectures, we will see in details what are the futures, what are the options. Here, just understand what are the options you have in the financial instrument. You have equity shares, debentures, indices, mutual fund, future and options. Then exchange traded fund. These are just like mutual fund, but you cannot buy and sell on daily basis in the mutual fund. But in exchange traded fund, you can buy and sell on daily basis. That is the difference between mutual fund and exchange traded fund. Then there are Indian depository receipts. What does this mean? This means if a foreign company want to list their shares in Indian stock market, what they will do? They will come to the BSE and NSE. They said we want our shares to be traded in Indian stock market. If BSE or NSE permits them, they will list their share in stock market, and you can purchase that shares from our BSE or NSE Sensex. For example, HUL, Hindustan Unilever, that is this company is based in England. Their shares are traded in India, in BSE and NSE. You can purchase HUL's shares. That is called as Indian Depository Receipts. Then there is again American Depository Receipts. Means if an Indian company goes to the in America and list their shares in the American Stock Exchange, and people from American people can buy and purchase the Indian stock, that is called an American Depository Receipts. For example, Infosys has listed their share in American Depository Receipts. Then there is a Global Depository Receipts. If an Indian company goes to any other country other than America and put their shares on their stock exchange, then that is called as Global Depository Receipts. Okay. How the stock market works? There are, if you want to buy or sell a share, there are two options which you have. The first option is over-the-counter market. Okay, in the over-the-counter market, you need not to go to a stock exchange like BSE or NSE. What you have to do? You have to find a person who has the shares, then tell them that you want to sell. Excuse me. Okay, over-the-counter sale means you have to find a person who has the shares, then go to them and ask them if he want to sell that share. If he agrees, then you have to give the money to that person and purchase that share. That is physical share. This is the first thing what you can do if you want to purchase a share. Then there is second option, exchange traded markets. Means you need not to go find a person who want to sell the shares. You directly go to a stock market, and from the listed companies, you can just choose which stock you want and purchase that share. These are the two options. Okay, because over-the-counter market is very difficult, where you will search a person. That's why stock exchange traded market is very easy, and in these online times, this has become more easy. Okay, I will show you a share certificate which I have purchased from a over-the-counter share. Means I have went to a bank, then asked them for a share certificate. After giving them money, they have issued me a share. Okay. Now, carefully look at the share certificate. What I want to tell you is that the authorized. This is called as share certificate. Now, what is written on that? Authorized share capital of 5 crore rupees. Means 5 crore rupees of worth of shares they have issued in the market. This is the first thing. Second, what they have done, they have divided these 5 crore rupees in 50,000 shares. Each share is consist of 1,000 rupees. That is face value. That is called as face value. One share certificate, the value of one share certificate is 1,000 rupees, and they have issued 50,000 shares in the market. Whoever want to purchase that, he can go and purchase that. Okay. Now look at the share certificate. It's written that membership number is there, name of the holder. Okay. Then nominee, I have not mentioned it nominee. Number of shares held. How many shares I have held? I held one number of shares. The distinctive number, the number of the shares, then amount. How much face value of this share is 1000 rupees. Total number of shares purchased by me is 1. That means the total amount which I have given to this company is 1000 rupees. Okay. Nowadays, this you will not find the share certificate in physical format, because the SEBI has guided that each and every company should be giving dematerialized shares. Means you cannot give physical share certificate, but your shares are kept in demat account. Okay, that's why nowadays these are very difficult to find share certificate. Now, okay. Now there are two primary market consists of two things. You have already have listened that there are initial public offer, IPO. This is called as primary market. IPO is a primary market, means a company first time in their entire business, the first time if a company want to issue the shares to the general public, okay, and if general public interested, they can directly purchase the shares from that company. That is called as IPO, initial public offer. This is the first time they are giving right to the public to purchase that share. Okay. Then another thing is that there is FPO, follow-on public offer. Follow-on public offer means the share is already listed in stock exchange. Okay, but the company want some more money. They want some more fund to expand their business. What they can do? They will issue follow-on public offer. There are many companies who have issued follow-on public offers, like Tata Steel, Power Finance Corporation of India, Engineers India, Power Grid Corporation of India. So once the company is listed, then if they are offering their shares for the general public, that is called as follow-on public offer. And the first time if they are listing their share in stock market, that is called as initial public offer. Okay. Now we will see some terminology, basic terminology in the stock market. These terms you will face on a daily basis. On daily basis, you have to understand what is the meaning of these terms. Okay. The first is face value. In the earlier share certificate, I have shown you the face value of this share certificate is 1000 rupees. Like in the stock market, whenever you go, you will find the face value of that share. That means the nominal price of that share on its face value. If I will go to a bank and sell this certificate, the minimum amount that they have to give me is rupees 1000 rupees. In Indian stock market, if you go and see, the face value of that companies are 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 10 rupees. Okay. The minimum amount which the company is owned to you is face value. The second term is book value. Book value means what? The companies raise funds through issuing equity. Then the companies raise funds through giving loan, taking loan from the banks. From that loan, from that equity amount, what will they purchase? They will purchase some assets. Now, book value means this is the theoretical amount. Each means the theoretical amount of money each share would get in case of company was to be wind up. If tomorrow a company is closed, then what the shareholder will get? That amount is called as book value. Okay. Book value means assets minus liability. That is the formula for book value. Means liability means we have taken loan, we have to give interest, we have to give taxes. After giving everything to every creditor, how much remaining amount is with us, that is, and that amount we have to distribute among the shareholders. That is called as book value. Means if a company is closed tomorrow, how much money will each shareholder will get. That is called as book value. Now market value. Market value is simple, very simple. This is the market price of a single share. If you go to screener.com, just put any company's name, you will, the first thing you will notice that there is a market price of a single share. There are many shareholders in every company. When you multiply a single share price to every shareholder, means suppose there are 2 lakh shares are there, and the market price of the share is 2. That means 20 lakh. 20 lakh is the market capitalization. Means single price of a single share multiple by how many shareholders are there. That is called as market capitalization. Market value of a single share multiplies by how many shareholders are there. That is called as market capitalization of that company. When you go to a screener.com, just put any company's name. The first thing that will be shown on the left side, that is called as market capitalization. Means if you want to purchase the entire company, that money you have to give, then you can purchase that entire company. Okay. Yeah. Hello. Is my voice audible? Is anybody? Please, anybody? One message. No. Yes, my okay. I thought my voice is not audible.
Yes, it's audible.
Okay.
Yeah, it's now audible.
Okay. Now, let's see. I have put ITC. The first thing you will see that the market capitalization of ITC is 5,59,103 crore. That means, and the share price of a single share of ITC is 448. Okay. So how can you calculate how many shares are there for this company? You may think that, but there is nowhere there is written that these are the number of shares of this ITC company. Simply what you do, 5,50,103 divided by 448. If you do that math, you will find that how many shareholders are there for this ITC company. Okay. For example, okay, I will calculate. If you want, you can also calculate. Okay, 5,59,103 is the market capitalization divided by 448. Okay, 1,247 crore shareholders are there for this ITC company. So understand the formula: market capitalization divided by single share price, that is 448. If you calculate this, you will find that how many shareholders are there for the ITC company. And for any company, you can do this. Okay. Okay, let's go to the chart. Okay. Book value. Now market capitalization. Okay. Do you understand market capitalization? This is the market capitalization of the ITC is 5,59,103 crore. Means if someone want to buy the entire ITC company, he has to simply give this amount of money. Okay. Okay, I will tell you again. If somebody has a question, how will you find that how many shareholders are there? The formula is very simple. You have market cap 5,59,103, 103. Okay, divided by 448. 448 is what? It is the share price of a single share. Okay, just divide 5,59,103 divided by 448. You will find how many shares are there for this company. And for any company, you can do that. Okay. Okay. Last time I'm repeating the formula. Market capitalization divided by single share price. That is the formula to find out how many shareholders are there for this company. Okay. Okay, next. Then market capitalization. According to the market capitalization, we can divide the companies listed in the share market in 3 groups. The first group is large cap companies, means market capitalization of more than 20,000 crore is considered as the large cap companies. Then there are companies called as mid cap companies. Mid cap companies means market capitalization is between 5,000 crore and less than 20,000 crore, means 5,000, 20,000 to 5,000. These companies are called as mid cap companies. Then third is small cap companies. Market capitalization is below 5,000. The companies are called as small cap companies. Then the next term is penny stock. Penny stock is that there is no fixed formula for the penny stock, but it is considered as the share price of a single share. If it is below 20 rupees, then that stock is called as penny stock. But there is no fixed definition for the penny stock. Okay. Now we will see some basic terminologies in market. Any company, why the company functions? The basic function of any company is to generate profit. Companies raise fund from people. Companies get loans from banks, from other individuals, and they run a business. They set up factories. Okay. They produce products or they produce some services and sell it in the market. So the entire purpose of the any company is simple. In the simple term, we can say that to generate profit. Now, whether companies generating a profit or not, we have to see that. Second, how much a company is generating profit, that is more important, because there are many companies in the market. You can go and invest in any companies, but what before investing, what we will do, you have to understand which company is generating more profit, which company is generating less profit. Now, everybody wants to invest in the companies who are generating more profit, but how you will calculate whether a company is really profitable or not? Profit is the basic thing or the basic underlying principle before investing in any stock. To judge whether a company, how much company is generating profit, the simple formula is to just look at the earning per share. Earning per share is the net, how much a net profit that company is generating divided by number of shares. Okay, I have also written here formula net profit. Go and look at the net profit of a company. If suppose there is a company whose net profit is 10 lakh, and outstanding shares are 2 lakhs, then what is the EPS? 10 lakh divided by 2 lakh, that is 5. Means this company is generating rupees 5. 5 rupees is the profit this company is generating for every shareholder or every single shareholder. Okay, now like this, you have to calculate the EPS, earning per share of many companies. Whichever company is generating more profit, you have to consider that company for investing. Okay, this is the first thing. Then second is price to earning. Now you have considered that, okay, this company is making this much profit, another company is making this much earning per share. Okay, but whether that company is really, the valuation of the company good or bad, or the company is overvalued or undervalued, how you will decide? The formula for deciding whether his company is overvalued or undervalued, that formula is price to earning ratio. What is price to earning ratio? P. This is called as P ratio. That means how much market is willing to pay to that company to earn from that company. Means suppose I want to earn 1 rupees from this company, how much extra price I am ready to give to that company, that is called as earning per share. If earning per share for a company is 20, suppose earning per share P ratio of the company is 20, the simple meaning is that I am ready to give 20 rupees to earn 1 rupees from this company. Okay. The formula for deciding the P ratio is market price divided by earning per share. Okay, already we have learned what is earning per share. Now what we have to do, the market price divided by earning per share. If you do that, you will find the P ratio of that company. If share price is higher than the earning, then P is high. Okay, if share price is less than the earning per share, then the P ratio is low. That means that is the good company to buy. Whenever you are investing, you are searching for a company, always find that earning per share is high and market price is low. If you find this company, that is the best time to invest in any company. Okay, I am again repeating. If share price is high, then earning is low. If share price is high, earning is low. That means that company is overvalued. You are giving more money to earn less money. Okay. Again, if share price is low and earning per share is high, that means the company is undervalued. You have to find in the market the undervalued companies. Means earning per share is high and PE is low. Okay. I will show you the chart in the next slides so that you will find how is that. Okay, in Indian stock market, there is no fixed formula for how much PE is high or how much PE is low. But in general trend, it is said that, but it is not fixed, but it is said that PE ratio of 30 is considered to be a good PE ratio. 30, I am again repeating, price to earning ratio of 30 is considered as a good P ratio that you can buy that company. But just looking at the P, if any company's P is 30, just don't go and buy. You have to consider other things. Okay, but it is basically it is considered that 30 P ratio is very good in Indian stock market. Okay. Why I'm saying, okay, now whenever you want you are going to search for companies, what you have to do, just go to the screener.com and search any companies and just go to the profit and loss statement. Okay, the first thing what you have to do is before investing in any money, just go to profit and loss statement. This is the profit and loss statement of ITC company. Okay, ITC, just okay, I will show you. This is the chart which I have taken. Okay, just go. The first thing you have to consider is sales. On the left side, it is considered as sales. Okay, I will show you. This is the sales. Okay, go and see if any company sales is increasing over year and year. Okay, look at the data. March 2012, 26,000. March 13, 31,000. March 14, 35,000, 38,000, 39,000, 42,000, 43,000, 48,000, 49,000, again 49,000, then 60,000, then March 70,000. What is this trend? The trend is showing that sales are increasing. Before investing in any company, you have to see that whether that company is actually increasing sales or not. This is the first thing you have to do. Second is operating profit. What is operating profit market is sales minus expenses. Okay, sales minus expenses, we will get operating profit. It means after excluding all the expenses from the sales, how much money is left for the company, that is called as operating profit. Okay, now look at the operating profit. 9,000, 11, just 11,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15, 15, 16, 18, 19, 17, 20, 25. That means operating profit is also increasing. Okay, this is the good sign for any company. If a company is increasing their sales, then if company is increasing their operating profit, that means that is the good sign that company will also grow in future. Okay, these are the two things. Next, the third thing. All other things are static things. The next thing what we have to look is net profit, whether the company's net profit is increasing or not. If any company's net profit is decreasing over year and year and share price is going up, okay, I'm again saying, if net profit of any company is going down, down and down, but on the other hand, the share price is going up and up and up, that means that is a pure pump and dump scheme. Okay, don't fall for that companies. If because the primary purpose of any company is to generate profit. If a company is not generating profit, stay away from that company. Okay. Now look at the ITC's net profit: 6,000, 7,000, 9,000, 9,000, 9,500, 10,000, 11, 11, 12, 12,000, 15,000, 30,000, 15,000, 19,000. Okay. This is the profit. That means what is this showing? This is showing, okay, this is showing that this company is generating more and more profit on year on basis. The profit is increasing. If you look from 2012 to 2013, the profits are increasing. That means this company is really doing a good job. Okay. Okay, somebody asked me, what is the OPM? This is the percentage sales minus expenses. This is the operating profit. How much profit the company is generating from their operations. That is called as OPM. Okay. Okay. In the next slide, I have a formula for that. Okay, I will tell you what is OPM in the next slide. Just a minute. Okay, I think I have not added that slide. Okay, I will tell you. मीन्स बहुत सिंपल हिंदी में आपको समझाता हूँ. मीन्स एक कंपनी ने 100 रुपए का सेल्स किया है और उसका ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट 35 रुपीज हुआ है. इसका मतलब क्या है? 35% उसका ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मानेंगे. मीन्स सेल्स में से कितना पैसा बचा है, जितना सेल्स किया उसमें से एक्सपेंस माइनस कर दिया, उसमें जो फिर बचा हमको, जो कंपनी को रेवेन्यू बचा है, वो सेल्स का कितना परसेंटेज है. Okay, 26,516 is sales. This is sales, and this is operating profit. What is the percentage of these two in relation to this? That is called as this is 35%. That is called as operating profit margin. Okay. Okay. Again, last time I am repeating. अगर 100 रुपीज का सेल्स किया है, 35 रुपए का उनका अगर ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट बचता है, इसका मतलब 35% वो ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट है. Okay, now next. Okay, these are the 2-3 things we have to look in the profit. जैसे देखिए, सबसे पहले तो देखिए सेल्स कितना बढ़ रहा है या नहीं बढ़ रहा है, ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट बढ़ रहा है नहीं बढ़ रहा है. 2 things. And third thing, net profit is increasing or not. If net profit is not increasing on year-on basis, okay, in 1 year, if there is a fall in the net profit, okay, that's okay. जैसे मान लीजिए कोविड था, यहाँ देखिए कोविड में इनका जो नेट प्रॉफिट थोड़ा सा गिरा है, ओके, लुक एट दिस। मार्च 2020 में 15,000 था, मार्च 2021 में 13,383। क्यों? बिकॉज तब कोविड था, सिचुएशन बहुत मुश्किल थी, सेल्स बढ़ना बहुत मुश्किल था। ओके, वी कैन कंसिडर दैट 1 year, ओके, बट on year basis, if the profit is increasing, that means ये कंपनी अच्छी है, ओके। एक दो क्वार्टर या एक दो साल किसी का बुरा हो सकता है, इतना कुछ ये नहीं, ठीक है। ये हो गया। नेक्स्ट, इस, ओके, now you understand what to look in the profit and loss. In profit and loss statement, just look three things: sales, operating profit, net profit. Only three things. If you can understand this thing, that is more than enough. Okay. Now I have shown you in screener. Okay, I will show you in screener. Go to this chart. Okay. There is this button. There is called a P ratio. Okay, just click on that. Maximum for maximum years. We go to the P ratio. Look, this is called a median P. I will tell you this line, this dotted line, this dot line दिख रही है. This is called a median P. Median P means moderate P, average P, moderate P, या middle, जिसको हम कह सकते हैं middle P. This is a middle P. Okay. This is blue line is P, whether the P is high or low, or and this bar is EPS, earning per share. No, no. अब देखिए, median P means if you are going to buy this share at the P of 30, then that is the best time you can purchase, because the median P, this is the median P. If you buy at this, okay, if you buy at the P of 37, that means you are giving more price, okay, you are paying more. If you buy this that as 20 P, that means you are giving very less amount to purchase ITC stock. If you are buying at this point, that means you are giving more price to buy ITC's one share, okay, but you are buying at this 30s level, that means you are buying at the correct price. अब इस फॉर एग्जांपल मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आप सब्जी लेने के लिए बाजार में गए, आप यू गो टू अ वेजिटेबल मार्केट, बाय टमाटो, लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ टोमेटो। अगर कोई आपको कहे कि टोमेटो इज 300 रुपीज पर केजी, what you will say, अरे ये तो बहुत ओवर प्राइस है, और okay, because 300 rupees per kg is very high value for that 1 kg of tomato. If somebody says you tomato is 1 rupees per kg, you will say, okay, this is very cheap. Tomato is the same, but the market, what the market is giving price to that is called as P. If you are buying at this level at 43 P, that means you are purchasing tomato at 300 price, and if you are buying at this level, that means you are buying the same tomato at less price. Okay, so what you have to do, just look whenever you are going to purchase any stock, just look whether the price is near to this median P. This dotted line is median P. If the stock is at the median P level, that means you are giving fair price to that share. You are not giving too much, or you are not giving too less. If you find, okay, if you are purchasing at 30, that is the best time to purchase this stock, because you are giving very less amount for that stock. Okay. Okay, about the somebody asked me about the dividend. Okay, in next slides we will decide I will tell you what is the dividend and how it is calculated. Okay, don't worry. In next slides. Okay, this is the everything about the P. Okay. Now, whenever you are going to purchase shares of a company, just go. Okay, I will take an example of Reliance. Now you know that what is the market cap, how to identify how many shareholders are there. Just divide market cap by the price of the share price of the single share. Okay, then you know that what is the book value. Book value means if tomorrow the Reliance company is bankrupt, how much money you will get for a single share. Okay, you will get 1050 rupees if you hold one share of Reliance. That is called as book value. Okay, earning per share, I have told you. P ratio, I have told you. Again, see. Okay, we will see that. What is the P ratio of this? Now, look, the median P of this Reliance is 19.2. This is the median P. Now, the stock is at 26P. Means the stock is we can say that it is overvalued, but not too overvalued. But yes, historically, if you see that 19P is okay, it is somewhat overvalued. Now, the next thing what you have to look at is shareholding patterns. Okay, this is promoter. Promoter means the persons who are starting the company. In the founders of that company. In this case of Reliance, the Ambani Parivar is promoter of this company. Okay, this is the shareholding pattern. Means, look at this. 50% of share is holded by the promoter. Okay, the person who have started the company, founders of that company, is holding 50% shares in this company. Then next is FII, foreign institutional investors. They are also holding 22% of shares. Okay, then is DII. DII is domestic institutional investor. Who are they? They are mutual fund. And then there is LIC. There is pension fund. There are different DIIs. DIIs domestic means they are belonging to India. FII, they are belonging to foreign companies. Then government of India also holding 0.17% share in the lands. Now the last thing is public. Public means the people like you and me. We are holding 10.76% of Reliance share. Whether before buying any stock, go to this shareholding pattern and see whether the promoters are selling their shares. Okay, if the shareholding of the promoter is decreasing, अगर shareholder जिन्होंने कंपनी बनाया है उनका ही शेयर होल्ड जो है वो हर साल कम हो जा रहा है. जैसे यहाँ पे 50 हो गया, फिर 40 हो गया, फिर 30 हो गया, फिर 20 हो गया. What does that mean? That means the promoter, the founder of the company is don't have the faith in that company. वो promoter को भी भरोसा नहीं है कि हमारी कंपनी आगे चलेगी या नहीं चलेगी. ओके, ये देखिए, in the case of Reliance, the 50% share capital is constant. That means the founder has faith that this company will grow in future. Okay, if you find any company whose promoter shareholding is decreasing, then stay away from those companies. Now, what about FII? FII, they are वो क्या होते हैं? FII में इन्वेस्ट करने वाले प्रोफेशनल लोग होते हैं. प्रोफेशनल स्टॉक रिसर्चर जो होते हैं ना, वो FII में काम करते हैं. वो स्टॉक को रिसर्च करते हैं. If FII and DII buying a stock, that means they have very thorough research. They have done research. They have predicted what this company can do in future, and then they are investing. If FII and DII are investing in that company, that is the good sign for any company. If FII and DII are not investing, or if they have already invested, they are selling their shares. अगर FII अपने शेयर्स बेच रहा है, DII अपने शेयर बेच रहा है, प्रोमोटर भी अपने शेयर बेच रहा है, मीन्स This is said as the red signal, बिकॉज वो एक्सपर्ट मैनेजर्स होते हैं, प्रोमोटर तो फाउंडर होते हैं, एफआईडीएस में एक्सपर्ट पीपल होते हैं, वो अपने शेयर बेच बेच के भाग रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स समथिंग इज रॉन्ग विद दिस, विद दैट कंपनी. Okay, friends. I have told you the basic concepts of stock market today. The remaining concept I will tell you tomorrow. Okay. If you have any doubt, please comment or write down in the chat box. We will answer. We will try to answer each and every question. Okay. Don't worry.
1 minute, guys. होप आपको समझ गया सब कुछ. अभी यहाँ से जो भी संदीप सर ने जो पढ़ा है उसको मैं कंक्लूड करके आपको समझा दूंगा. ओके. होप एवरीबडी इज कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी. आई थिंक नोबडी शुड बी वरीड अबाउट. ओके ओके ओके. सबसे पहले यहाँ देखो क्या होता है. स्क्रीनर एक वेबसाइट ऐसी है कि जहां पे आप स्टॉक्स को स्क्रीन कर सकते हैं, उसको देख सकते हैं कि कैसा ये स्टॉक ओवर वैल्यूड है, अंडर वैल्यूड है, इसका पी रेशियो क्या है, आरओसी क्या है, मार्केट कैपिटल क्या है, कितने करोड़ का कंपनी है, प्रमोटर क्या कर रहा है. एवरी डिटेल्स अबाउट अ कंपनी यू कैन गेट इन स्क्रीनर वेबसाइट. ओके. तो सबसे बस लेटेस्ट ने हमें कौन सी स्टॉक की एंट्री ली थी? धनलक्ष्मी बैंक. ओके. धनलक्ष्मी बैंक आज 20% का अपर सर्किट दे दिया था. तो लेट्स से धनलक्ष्मी बैंक के फंडामेंटल्स कैसे हैं. सबसे पहले आपको सर्च करना है धनलक्ष्मी बैंक, आपको आ जाएगा. ओके. धनलक्ष्मी बैंक इज अ स्मॉल कैप कंपनी बिकॉज लेस देन 5,000 करोड़ रुपीज कैपिटल. मार्केट कैप इज लेस देन 5,000 करोड़ रुपीज. तो कंपनी क्या है? एक स्मॉल कैप कंपनी. अगर आपने कंपनी में पैसे इन्वेस्ट किए होते तो आपको क्या मिलता? आरओई क्या मिलता आपको? रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी. अगर 1 साल तक आपने पैसे रखे तो आपको सिर्फ 5% आपको रिटर्न मिलेगा. सो इट इज वेरी लेस देन एफडी ऑल्सो. तो आप इन्वेस्ट करोगे क्या? नहीं करोगे. ओके. सेकंड थिंग, कंपनी हैज डेप्ट. डेप्ट कितना है देखो, 13,844 करोड़. इतना ज्यादा डेप्ट है. क्या इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए? नहीं. एज ए इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पस दिस कंपनी इज नॉट गुड बिकॉज ह्यूज डेप्ट. अगर डेप्ट टू इक्विटी कहा जाए, ये हमेशा लेस देन 1 होना चाहिए. हाँ ठीक है. डेप्ट टू इक्विटी आपको कल संदीप सर पढ़ा देंगे, तब भी मैं थोड़ा सा आपको बेसिक बता देता हूँ कि डेप्ट टू इक्विटी लेस देन 1 होना चाहिए. ओके. बट आज आपको क्या पढ़ाया गया है? पीई. पीई क्या है? 7. एंड इस इंडस्ट्री यानी बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री का पीई कितना है? 13. तो ये क्या हुआ? अंडर वैल्यू स्टॉक. ओके. और सेकंड थिंग, व्हाट इज द बुक वैल्यू? अगर कल कंपनी बंद हो गई, कल कुछ कारणवश इस कंपनी बैंकरप्ट हो गई, तब भी आपको आपने जितना इन्वेस्ट किया उससे ज्यादा पैसा मिलेगा बिकॉज द कंपनी हैज बुक वैल्यू इज 38. मीन्स इट इज अगेन अंडर वैल्यूड. तो कंपनी ऑन द फंडामेंटल बेसिस अंडर वैल्यूड है. बट देयर इज अ वन बिग कंसर्न दैट इज डेप्ट टू इक्विटी इज वेरी हाई. डेप्ट टू इक्विटी 1 से कम होना चाहिए. ये कितना है? 14 है. बहुत ज्यादा है. कंपनी को बहुत ज्यादा कर्जा है तो प्रॉफिट भी कम होगा, क्योंकि जितना प्रॉफिट होगा उसमें से ज्यादा आपको इंटरेस्ट पे करना होगा जो भी आपको कर्जा लिया है. सो इट इज अ वेरी बैड थिंग. सेल्स ग्रोथ कितना है? जस्ट 2% सेल्स ग्रोथ हुआ है. It is very bad thing. Okay. So these are the big things will be told by Sandeep sir tomorrow. But आपको मैं सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज मैं बताता हूँ कि क्या देखता हूँ मैं. क्या देखता हूँ सबसे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग व्हाट आई सी. मैं क्या देखता हूँ कि अगर कंपनी की सेल्स इंक्रीज हो रही है क्या, क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर बेसिस, नॉट ईयर ऑन बेसिस. रेवेन्यू देखो 237 244. ठीक है, उतना ज्यादा इंक्रीज नहीं है. पर अभी देखो, अभी थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज हुआ है, थोड़ा सा स्टेडी इंक्रीज हुआ है 239. क्या कंपनी का ईपीएस देखो. ईपीएस मीन्स अर्निंग पर शेयर. ये कल आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा. व्हाट आई सी, सेल्स अब इस कंपनी के ऑल टाइम हाई होने चाहिए, जो कि है अभी. इसके ईपीएस ऑल टाइम हाई होना चाहिए, जो लगभग है. पर लास्ट क्वार्टर में ईपीएस ऑल टाइम हाई था, इस क्वार्टर में नहीं है. ओपीएम, ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन शुड बी all time high. Okay. About these companies, like operating profit margin are mainly absent in banking companies. Okay, because they are on what they call, they are just earning the interest, and they invest in some government bonds, and from people's savings account they invest and earn and give loans to other people from the people who have deposited their money. This is how they work. तो इतना हमने एनालिसिस कर लिया. लेट्स एनालाइज नाउ वन ऑफ द स्टॉक. एक स्टॉक आप बोलो, अब हम उसको एनालिसिस करेंगे, वो ओवर वैल्यूड है, अंडर वैल्यूड है. अदर देन बैंकिंग सेक्टर, एनी नेम इन योर माइंड, आपके माइंड में कौन सा नाम है? केपीआईटी. ओके, चलो केपीआईटी. केपीआईटी इज अ प्योर जेम स्टॉक. व्हाई? देखो 32,000 रुपीज, 32,000 करोड़ की कंपनी है. मार्केट कैप इसका कितना है? इतना है. पर स्टॉक का पी कितना है? ओवर वैल्यूड है. ओके, 36. इंडस्ट्री का पी कितना है? 36 है. बट स्टॉक का पी कितना है? 74. वेरी हाई. ओके, इतना ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. बट और एक चीज देखो, बुक वैल्यू 60 है और कंपनी का प्राइस कितना है? 1170. ओके, बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है, काफी ज्यादा ओवर वैल्यूड है. बट देयर इज वन बिग थिंग इज हियर. आरओई कितना है? रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी, आरओसीई कितना है? बहुत ज्यादा है, 25%. ये 15% से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. 25% इज वेरी बिग. अगर आपने पैसे डाल दिया तो आपको एफडी सबसे ज्यादा आपको पैसा यहाँ पे मिल रहा है. सो इट इज अ वेरी गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट. बट स्टॉक इज ओवर वैल्यूड, ये तो हमें इससे पता चल रहा है. डेप्ट तो बहुत कम है, 287 करोड़ है. डेप्ट टू इक्विटी 1 से नीचे होना चाहिए, 0.17 है. सो विच इज द बेस्ट थिंग. ओके ओके, रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स. बुक वैल्यू कितनी है? बुक वैल्यू बहुत कम है. हाँ, अभी आप पी देख सकते हो, इसका पी कितना चल रहा है? इसका नॉर्मल पी 50 होना चाहिए, अभी ये 76 है, तो ओवर वैल्यूड स्टॉक हो गया. ओके, क्वार्टर रिजल्ट में क्या है? जो मैं चीज देखता हूं, अगर कोई भी स्टॉक, अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, अगर किसी भी कंपनी का सेल्स सेल्स देख रहे हो आप, सेल्स ऑल टाइम हाई है. सेल्स क्या है? ऑल टाइम हाई है. ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन, अगर 100 रुपीज का सेल्स कर रहे हैं तो 19 रुपीज को प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, ये भी ऑल टाइम हाई है. सेल्स ऑल टाइम हाई है, ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन ऑल टाइम हाई है. ओके, सेल्स ऑल टाइम हाई, ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन ऑल टाइम हाई, एंड ईपीएस, अर्निंग पर शेयर, इज ऑल टाइम हाई. तो क्या होगा? शेयर का प्राइस भी ऑल टाइम हाई जाएगा. यही होता है. अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. अगर सेल्स, ये जो सेल्स है ना, ये सेल्स अगर ऑल टाइम हाई है, ओपीएम ऑल टाइम हाई है, एंड ईपीएस, अर्निंग पर शेयर ऑल टाइम हाई, तो स्टॉक भी ऑल टाइम हाई जाएगा. अगर ऐसे स्टॉक में ब्रेकआउट आता है तो आपको 100% बाय करने का. ओके, देखो अगर फंडामेंटल्स ग्रेट है, फंडामेंटल्स क्या है? अच्छे. Net guys, am I audible? Some internet connection, yes, internet connection has been, okay, now come. Okay, so these 3 parameter you must check, and other things like interest, depreciation, other income, these things will be thought by Sandeep sir tomorrow. Okay, now let's see balance sheet. Balance sheet will be thought by Sandeep sir, but what I see, रिजर्व शुड बी इंक्रीज. रिजर्व आपके इंक्रीज होनी चाहिए, और लाइबिलिटीज जो है, बैरोइंग्स जो है, वो कम होनी चाहिए. इतना दिखता हूं. अगेन कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट, कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी, ये पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. सारा कुछ आपको नहीं का कल, नहीं तो परसों संदीप सर सिखा देंगे. ओके, हाँ, जैसे कि संदीप सर ने बताया था कि एफआईआई शुड इंक्रीज द स्टेक. इंक्रीज हो रहा है एफआईआई का. देखो केपीआईटी में देखो 15%, 17%, 20%, 23%, 25%. दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव साइन. एफआईआई इंक्रीज कर रहे, डीआई प्रॉफिट बुक कर रहे, क्योंकि डीआई ने अर्ली खरीदा था. डीआई ने देखो कब खरीदा था? सितंबर 2020 में, जब स्टॉक 100 रुपए 200 रुपए था, तब डीआई ने खरीदा. डीआई आप प्रॉफिट बुक कर रहे हैं और एफआईआई अभी इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. प्रमोटर भी क्या हो रहा है? वो स्टॉक का प्राइस 10x हो गया है, तो प्रमोटर थोड़ा सा शेयर बेच के वही अमाउंट शायद इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हो कंपनी में, करेगा. ओके, नंबर ऑफ शेयर होल्डर देखो 60,000 थे, अभी कितने हैं? 4,71,000 है, बढ़ गए हैं. ओके, सो अंडरस्टैंड. तो ऐसे आपको देखा जाएगा. तो फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस का हमारा आज का पार्ट इतना खत्म हुआ. कल संजीव सर आपको बताएंगे. संडे को हमारी छुट्टी होगी, मंडे को और एक फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस पे लेक्चर होगा, उसके बाद हम टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के लिए स्टार्ट कर देंगे। ओके, अगर आपको कोई डाउट हो तो अभी पूछ लीजिएगा, ठीक, नहीं तो आप कल भी पूछ सकते हो। ओके, यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चन। If there are no doubts, should I end this session here?
सर एक डाउट मेरा
आपको
है।
रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगी।
हेलो हेलो सर, हेलो सुनाई दे रहा है सर?
Ending this session here. Hope you understood everything.